Welcome friends to Zen with Fabian. I am Fabian, and during today's meditation we're going to be counting the breath on every inhalation and exhalation for 15 minutes. When practiced consistently, breath counting exercises will sharpen your ability to concentrate and achieve unification and tranquility of mind. I recommend doing this exercise while sitting upright in order to be able to breathe deeply and effortlessly. Sit either cross-legged, on your heels, or even on a chair. If you're lying down and intend to fall asleep, then you might want to consider my other breath counting meditations, specifically designed to sleep like a Buddha. So wear something comfy and let's get to it. Alright, then come on down into a seat of your choice. If you are not able to assume a posture on the ground, sit on the forward part of a chair. Make sure that the feet are hip-width apart and flat on the ground. If you are sitting cross-legged or on your heels, use a cushion or a folded blanket so that the knees can rest lower than the hips. This allows you to keep the natural bend in the spine, which opens up the heart space and allows the breath to flow naturally and without any effort. Lift the sternum slightly and tuck in the chin. Let the hands rest where it feels natural, or bring them into a mudra of your choice. Keep the arms relaxed and close to the body. The mouth remains closed, and let the tongue rest gently against the upper palate. Allow the gaze to fall to the ground a few feet in front of you without focusing on anything in particular. Once you have assumed a comfortable and firm Zazen posture, bring your attention to your breathing and take a few deep breaths in and out through the nose. One more time, a deep breath in and exhale completely. Now let the breath flow naturally. Try to breathe from the lower abdomen so that the belly inflates as you inhale and compresses while you exhale. Now let's begin counting the breath on every inhalation and exhalation from 1 to 10. Inhale, count 1. Exhale, 2. Inhale, 3. Exhale, 4. Inhale, 5. Exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 1. Exhale, 2. Inhale, 3. Exhale, 4. Inhale, 5. Exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. In 1, out 2, in 3, out 4, in 5, out 6, in 7, out 8, in 9, out 10, in 1, out 2, in 3, out 4, in 5, out 6, in 7, out 8, in 9, out 10, in 1, out 2, in 3, out 4, in 5, out 6, in 7, out 8, in 9, out 10, in 1, out 2, in 3, out 4, in 5, out 6, in 7, out 8, in 9, out 10, in 1, out 2, in 3, out 4, in 5, out 6, in 7, out 8, in 9, out 10, in 1, out 2, in 3, out 4, in 5, out 6, in 7, out 8, in 9, out 10, in 1, out 2, in 3, out 4, in 5, out 6, in 7, out 8, in 9, out 10, in 1, out 2, in 3, out 4, in 5, out 6, in 7, out 8, in 9, out 10, in 1, out 2, in 3, out 4, in 5, out 6, in 7, out 8, in 9, out 10, in 1, out 2, in 3, out 4, in 5, out 6, in 7, out 8, in 9, out 10, in 1, out 2, in 3, out 4, in 5, out 6, in 7, out 8, in 9, out 10. Now relax the posture and become aware of how you feel right now. Let's take 2 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose and sigh it all out. Gently bring some movement back into your upper body by swaying from side to side, front to back. And give your spine a gentle twist if that feels good right now. And if you're sitting on the floor, unfold the legs and let the blood circulate again into all parts of the body. And this concludes today's Zazen. I hope you're feeling fresh, energized, and full of vitality. Thanks so much for joining me today. Take good care for now, and I hope to see you very soon.